have seen so many articles and actually people asking me, like, do you believe that? And I'm like, well, Jyotisha, and Jyotish is the science of light. And, Jyotish is ruled by the sun, and the sun is the enemy of Rahu. How can we
Yes,
how
correct.
can we say that Rahu rules Jyotish? And another thing that I was going to ask you is, do you believe? So basically, again, I'm inviting you to my channel to talk about this because we are kind of clarifying many misconceptions that I see around, and I think you are the person to go to. And another misconception that I have seen around is the exaltation and debilitation of Rahu. Can you talk to us about what signs are the exaltation of Rahu, and if you believe that Rahu has exaltation or not?
Exaltation of Rahu, I believe, is in the sign of Gemini, and exaltation of Ketu is in the sign of Sagittarius.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The sign of Gemini is the sign of Mercury. Mercury is completely connected with intellectualism. And the other side, that is in Sagittarius, it is Jupiter. So there is no intellectuality, there is intelligence. Now, what is intelligence? Intelligence is when the heart is in tune with the mind.
Mm-hmm.
That is when intelligence is born. Whereas intellectualism is totally logic. There is no role of heart in intellectualism. That is why Albert Einstein has mentioned that logic can take you from A to Z, but beyond Z, it is only imagination that can take. So basically, logic, eventually what happens? Logic locks you. You start suffocating because we are totally into our head. Even when it comes to astrology, if you are completely only focusing on the calculations, then you will not find the essence of the subject. So unless heart comes into the picture, unless you start listening to the voice of your heart, the essence of astrology cannot be realized. My emphasis is on that don't just rely on the scriptures. Don't just rely on what has been written about certain yoga or certain conjunctions. See the facts through your own experiences.